Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a checklist and add it to your tasks and notes in the TickTick project management app. So let us begin. Head over to your inbox inside your TickTick application here, account, sorry. And yeah, click into the given task, and here to the right guys, what you want to do is click into this field here. Right, let me skip to the next line and let us start the checklist here by entering the command /. Then choose, for example, checklist here, or you can go for numbered list, and then start adding these checklist items. So I don't know, yeah, item A, for example. Skip to the next time by pressing enter, type in the next item name, item B, item C, and so on and so forth, item D. So to mark these check boxes as complete, click into them, and that is going to add that strike through to these checklist items. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.